All right, everybody. So our lesson this week, week 1 of Unit 5, is being a good citizen. And we're going to be exploring the question of what do good citizens do? Hopefully that's a word you remember hearing from different things this year. I want you to take a minute and look at this picture and think about what you see and why do you think they're doing it? We see that these girls are raising money to buy playground equipment for a park in their neighborhood. Citizens have rights and responsibilities. And if you look at these two green triangles, you'll see what a citizen means. So take a moment to look at those. This week we're going to be thinking about how we are good citizens and how a lot of the characters in the story we read this week are also being good citizens. But for now, we're going to take a look at our video for the week to kind of kick off our question. Here we go.
Being a good citizen. What do good citizens do? There are many ways to be a good citizen. These good citizens are selling lemonade to raise money for their town's animal shelter. Good citizens help others. These children are collecting food for a food drive at their school. The food will help hungry people in their community. Good citizens also take their rights and responsibilities seriously. Voting is one right citizens have. These people are taking their right to vote seriously. They are good citizens too.
So I hope in that video you saw a lot of things that really connect with our question this week. And we're going to add knowledge to that little toolbox this week to help us answer our question.